and she is surely living a good life.
Where on earth did Kuo Hong Tao put that jade pendant? In my previous life, Bai Ching used that jade pendant to steal my identity and claim kinship with Chief's parents. Those poor two elders didn't know until the day they passed that they had been deceived. Whoa, Hong Tao, are you crazy?
Han Jinrui, don't you think for one second that because you're married to me, I can't deal with you?
Oh, really? If you're so tough, show me what you've got.
Han Jinrui, do you even realize that my sister-in-law, because of your harassment, has been crying until now?
Then why aren't you with her? Why come looking for me? Oh, you want something from me, don't you? Hong Tao. Once we are divorced, I'll go to support the Great Northwest and leave this place of heartbreak.
A divorce? Is it because of what happened between Huo Hong Tao and Bai Ching?
On our wedding night, Huo Hong Tao went to find Bai Ching, and he even took my dowry to give to her. Now, he is letting Bai Ching's family stay in the house my foster parents left for me.
This Huo Hong Tao is truly out of line. I'll call him back right now and teach him a real lesson.
Oh, Uncle Yuan. There's no need. Huo Hong Tao has already completely broken my heart, and I am determined to divorce him.
All right. I'll ask around for you.
Oh, by the way, since I'm heading to the Great Northwest anyway, I can't let Bai Ching's family benefit from my parents' house. Let the factory take it back.
Okay. I'll go with you right now to repossess the house.
Thank you, Uncle Ren.
Don't you worry. I can give you Han Senrui's job and the house. Her parents left her.
Brother Huo, you're so good to me. I don't even know how I can repay you.
Hey, I'm not asking for much in return, just as long as you let me have a little kiss.
Something is wrong. Sister, brother-in-law, the fertilizer plant is going to take back the house we're living in.
What?
This house belongs to my son-in-law, and none of you can make us leave.
Your son-in-law's house? Your son-in-law? And who might that be?
My son-in-law is Huo Hong Tao. He is the director of your fertilizer factory.
What are you talking about?
Oh my, this vicious girl. Who is she?
She is Hong Tao's wife, Han Shinru.
Hong Tao, when did you marry a new wife? Hurry up and introduce her to our factory leaders.
aberta, galera.